What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the inverted text using the CapCut. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can click this new video and you can choose your clip that you would like to create this inverted text. For example, I will choose this clip from the library. And after that, I will start to remove this ending. And the next thing will be giving the text. And for example, you can start to put your favorite text over here. For example, sunrise. And I will also adjust the size like this. And you can also choose the fonts that is thick like this, and I will also adjust the length of this text as same as this clip. And after that, you can start to go back to this text and I will adjust something, which is the shadow. You can click this style and you will find this shadow, and after that you can click this color picker, and for example you can choose it to be like this. And I will also adjust the opacity, let's say to become 100, and blur to be 0%, and apply to it. And after that I will go back to this menu named background, click color, and for example I will choose the green screen like this and apply to it. And you can start to select this clip. In case you cannot move it down, don't worry, because you can also move it by choosing this transform advance, and you can move it like this, or you can move it with your fingers like this until it's not visible anymore and apply to it. And after that I will adjust the Ultra HD to make it free version and click export and kindly wait for the result. And after the exporting process is done, then you can go back to this project. And after that, I will select this clip again. And to make it the position more precise, I will choose this advance and make the position come back to 0 or full in the screen. Like this, and apply to it. And after that, you can start to remove this text, and I will import the exported animation or text before by clicking this overlay, for example this one, and click add. And after that I will make it the same duration, and I will also adjust the size to make it full screen or cover the screen. Click transform advance and zoom, make it to become 100. Perfect. And after that, select this overlaid And I will also adjust the chroma key. Make it like this. And for example, I will choose the intensity to become 100 and apply to it. And after that, I will go back to the menu. And I will select this first clip and I will adjust the graph. Click adjust over here. And you can scroll to the left and you will find the graph like this. And for the blue one, I will adjust the scale to become like this, and you can apply to it for the all color. And the last one will be the white one, like this, and apply to it, and this is what we have. And for this clip, you can start to export it again and kindly wait for the result. And after the exporting process, then you can go back to the project and you can remove this layer. And after that, you can start to do the adjustment again for this first clip in the graph, and you can reset it all over and confirm. And after that, I will start to do the overlay and import the last clip that we made. And after that, you can adjust the size of this overlay. Make it into the full covering the screen. Make it 100. Perfect. And after that, I will start to remove the background, chroma key, like this, and I will also adjust the intensity to remove the green screen hint. And make sure that the tag is not gone. You can adjust this intensity as enough. Like this. And there you have it. This is the inverted text we have. You can play it. As you can see, the motion is also filled into this text. So don't forget to try this tips and trick and tutorial. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in a comment section because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.